In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze some data, some charts and tables using Kimi AI. Okay, so I logged in with my Kimi AI over here, and I can just add the data that I have here. Assuming I have these images of charts, this one, I just bring it in. It's a bar chart containing the table at the top, and then I want it to, can you give me a detailed explanation on this charts and the table? Okay, so I hit on enter. And let's see what it is going to bring up as regards the explanation from this. This is the table and this is the bar chart that talks about some basic things. So you can see this is the row by row decoding of the text table. So it is organizing the text table and what each and every data means. So this is the row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is what you see in that A, B, C, D, and then what it means over here. Okay, so these are the details of what it means. Now, quick sanity check, total versus profit. So this is now quickly analyzing the table and giving you some information that you could not even see from the chart that you have over there. And then now it is giving you the chart area analysis directly. It is analyzing the chart area completely, taking variables, title holders, horizontal and vertical axis, the legends, and so on. It is giving you key critical analysis of what that chart is all about. So what the picture as a whole tells us, this is now a holistic overview of what the picture tells us. Okay, it says spreadsheet originally contained this, and one sentence takeaway from the image. This is what it is giving you. So it has given you some fantastic information and generalized conclusion and key takeaways from this same particular image that we've just added. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.